Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see facts for UPSC prelims from Insights IAS for 10th of September 2020. South India's first and country's second Kisan train. Context: inaugural run of the train flagged off. Key facts: location: it runs between Anantapur from Andhra Pradesh and Delhi. Kisan Rail will help in strengthening the agricultural economy and help in the speedy transportation of farm produce to distant places. On 7th August, the first Kisan Rail was flagged off between Devlali in Maharashtra and Danapur in Bihar. Rafale aircraft. The Indian Air Force will conduct the Rafale aircraft on 10th September 2020. The aircraft will be a part of 17th Squadron, the Golden Arrows. The first five Indian Air Force Rafale aircraft arrived at Air Force Station Ambala from France on 27th July 2020. Key facts: Rafale is a French twin engine and multi role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation, being produced for both the French Air Force and for carrier based operations in the French Navy. India has inked a rupees 59,000 crore deal in 2016 to produce 36 Rafale jets from French aerospace major Dassault Aviation. India is the fourth country to have the strategic platforms with Rafale after France, Egypt, and Qatar. Indian Air Force received Rafale boost. Shikshak Parv initiative. Ministry of Education organizes a webinar on inclusive and equitable education under Shikshak Parv initiative. It is being celebrated from 8th September 25th September 2020 to felicitate the teachers and to take new education policy 2020 forward. Jigyasa. It is a student scientist connect program launched in 2017. The program would be implemented by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research in collaboration with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. The focus of this scheme is on connecting school students and scientists so as to extend students' classroom learning with well planned research laboratory based learning. WHO South East Asia region. The 73rd session is being hosted by the government of Thailand from Bangkok, while the previous session was held in New Delhi. Southeast Asia is one of the six WHO regions. The region has 11 member states: Bangladesh, Bhutan, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, India, Indonesia, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Timor Leste. National Statistical Organization's NSO latest report on education. The findings are based on 75th round of the National Sample Survey conducted between June 2017 and June 2018. The households were surveyed on consumption related to education. Key findings: 1 in 5 students in India supplement school education with private coaching, including almost 1 in 3 at the secondary coaching level or class 9th and 10th. More than 52% of urban upper caste boys take coaching in comparison to just 13.7 of rural boys and girls from scheduled tribe communities. Private coaching fees make up almost 20% of the total cost of education for those in secondary and higher secondary school. Some states in eastern India seem to spend more on private coaching than on rest of the country. That's all facts for UPSC prelims news for today for 10th of September 2020. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more UPSC current affair videos. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.